Hello guys! Today I will show you how to draw a chick. Let's draw a circle. It will be a head of our chick. Then draw an oval. It will be a body. Next step is draw a neck. Mark a beak, an eye, draw a tail, and legs. Mark a wing. Next step is colorize the chick's body with yellow pencil. Now colorize the beak with the orange pencil. And draw the eye with the blue pencil. Colorize the pupil and outline an eye with a black pencil. Next step is outline the body of chick with the wave brown line. And colorize the legs with a brown pencil. We're almost done. I hope you like this lesson. So, see you soon on my next one.